Hello everyone, I'm Roelof van der Klis and today I'm thrilled to share some exciting news. Rappel has proudly established a state-of-the-art production facility for manufacturing Lewis decking, right here in Dubai, at the heart of the Middle East. Our production approach ensures just-in-time deliveries, enabling you to execute your projects promptly and efficiently. We're dedicated to assisting you with floor design, optimizing steel consumption, layout planning and providing comprehensive technical literature. Our expertise and resources are at your disposal to ensure the success of your project. Let's join forces to construct a sustainable tomorrow. Thank you for considering us as your partner on this journey.